Good morning, students. Children, in my previous lecture, I explained common features of living and non-living things and also differences between living and non-living things. Today we will study characteristics of living things. Children, several living things move. You can see animals moving. And why do animals move? They move around in search of food or shelter or to escape from enemies. Besides, their body parts move in different ways. Like children, you can move your legs, your hands, and you can also rotate your neck. So, these are the movements of your body parts in different ways. But children, plants do not move around in search of food and shelter. You know why, children? Because plants, they prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. So why they should move? And but children, you can observe movements in plant when you touch the leaves of mimosa or touch me not. छुई मुई कि मुझे टच मत करो. As soon as we touch the leaves they close. Or in sunflower, as it turns to face the sun. Similar kinds of movements are also visible in the leaves of orchid tree, kachnar, and flowers of lotus and water lily. But children, you know, some non-living things can move. Like a car can move, buses can move, but we cannot say that these are living things. You know why? Because they do not have the other characteristics present in living things. And children, the next characteristic of living things, that all living things are made up of cells. Children, your school building is made up of bricks arranged in layers, and a brick is the smallest unit of construction. Similarly, living organisms are made up of tiny units called cells. All bacteria, yeast is a fungus, and some plants living in water are one cell. One cell means unicellular. Amoeba and paramecium and many other animals are also made up of a single cell. And there is no change in the number of cells throughout their life cycle. Means for the whole life they will remain single celled organisms. And the bigger the animal, the greater the number of cells that make up its body. But they also begin their life from a single cell. So children, you are multicellular animals and you have millions of cells in your body. So today we have studied two characteristics, like first is several living things move, and the second, all living things are made up of cells.